Wide format printers, printing on large paper sizes. Title: Wide format printers, printing on large paper sizes. Introduction: 100 words. In the world of printing, wide format printers have revolutionized the way we create and reproduce images on large paper sizes. Whether it's architectural and engineering designs, banners and posters, or artistic masterpieces, these printers offer unmatched precision, speed, and versatility. In this article, we will explore the fascinating world of wide format printers, discussing their technology, applications, benefits, and potential challenges. Join us as we delve into the realm of large-scale printing and uncover the incredible possibilities that wide format printers bring to the table. Understanding wide format printers, 300 words. Wide format printers, also known as large format printers, are designed to produce prints on a larger scale than traditional printers. They utilize specially crafted inkjet or toner-based printing technologies to transfer digital images onto larger sheets of paper. These printers can handle various paper sizes, ranging from 18 inches to several feet in width. The printing process typically involves the printhead moving across the paper, spraying droplets of ink, or applying toner to create the desired image. Advanced wide format printers employ multiple printheads that work in unison, enhancing printing speed and quality. 2. Applications of wide format printers, 400 words. Wide format printers find applications across diverse industries, catering to a broad range of printing needs. Let's explore some of the most common applications. 1. Architectural and engineering designs. Wide format printers play a vital role in printing architectural blueprints, construction plans, and technical drawings. 2. Advertising and signage. In the realm of advertising, wide format printers excel at producing eye-catching banners, billboards, and posters. Their capacity to print on flexible materials like vinyl and fabric opens up endless possibilities for vibrant and impactful visual communication. From trade show displays to outdoor advertisements, wide format printers are the go-to choice for all things advertising. 3. Fine art and photography. Artists and photographers benefit greatly from the precision and color accuracy offered by wide format printers. Whether it's creating high-quality prints of exquisite artworks or producing gallery worthy photographs, these printers allow for stunning reproductions on a large scale. The versatility of media choices, such as canvas and fine art paper, further enhances the artistic possibilities. 4. Vehicle wraps and decals. Wide format printers are instrumental in the production of vehicle wraps and graphics. They can handle the printing of large vinyl sheets that conform to the shape of vehicles, transforming them into mobile advertisements or personalized works of art. The durability and vividness of these prints make them an ideal choice for businesses and individuals looking to make a statement on wheels. 3. Benefits of wide format printing, 300 words. Wide format printing provides an array of benefits that make it an invaluable tool for businesses, professionals, and enthusiasts alike. 1. Superior print quality. Wide format printers offer exceptional print quality, thanks to their advanced inkjet or toner-based technologies. The ability to print at high resolutions, combined with precise color reproduction and smooth gradations, ensures stunning results for both text and graphics. 2. Versatility in media options. Wide format printers are compatible with an extensive range of media types, including papers, vinyl, fabrics, and even rigid materials like wood and metal. This versatility enables users to experiment and explore new printing applications, adding depth and creativity to their projects. 3. Increased productivity. With their ability to handle large paper sizes, wide format printers streamline the printing process, reducing the need for piecing together smaller prints. This saves significant time, allowing for faster turnaround times on large-scale projects, thus increasing overall productivity and efficiency. 4. Cost-effectiveness. Despite initial investments, wide-format printers can be cost-effective in the long run. Businesses can avoid outsourcing large-format printing, thus reducing costs associated with third-party printing services. Moreover, these printers offer better control over the print process, minimizing wastage and optimizing resource utilization. 4. Potential challenges of wide-format printing, 300 words. While wide-format printers offer numerous benefits, they also come with some potential challenges. Let's take a look at a few. 1. Size and space requirements. Due to their ability to handle large paper sizes, wide-format printers can be quite bulky and require ample space for operation. Before investing in a wide-format printer, it is essential to consider the available space in your office or studio and ensure that the printer can be accommodated comfortably. 2. Maintenance and upkeep. Wide-format printers require regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Print heads may need cleaning or replacement, ink cartridges must be monitored, and paper feeding mechanisms need to be regularly checked. Failure to perform necessary maintenance tasks can result in print quality issues or even damage to the printer itself. 3. Color matching and calibration. Wide-format printers often require careful color calibration to ensure accurate color reproduction. This process involves adjusting the printer's settings and profiles to match the desired color output. Achieving consistent and accurate color matching may require technical expertise and additional equipment like color calibration tools or spectrophotometers. 4. Cost of consumables. Wide-format printers consume significant amounts of ink or toner due to the larger print sizes. Investing in compatible, high-quality consumables can be costly, and the ongoing expenses can add up. Time. It's essential to factor in the cost of ink or toner cartridges when budgeting for wide-format printing. Future trends in wide-format printing, 300 words. The world of wide-format printing is continuously evolving, driven by advancements in technology and the growing demand for large-scale prints. Here are a few future trends to watch.